this way again. The way I'm feeling now with you, my friend and lover. But I have rediscovered how it feels to love another. I never thought I'd feel this way again. Stars are shining in the sky, so bright. I wanna hold you in my arms so tightly, fall into your eyes so blue, and hear you softly sigh, I love you. I never thought I'd feel this way again. Overcome my fear, and so the way ahead is finally clear to go. And when I feel your body near, I know that they'll never stop us, never even slow us down. Trouble slowed us on the road of life, but now we've overtaken all that strife. There's nowhere that we cannot go, and nothing that can stop us. Oh, I never thought I'd feel this way again. Never thought I'd feel this way again. Never thought I'd feel this way again.